Good morning. This is Jen with Urban and Garden Boots, and I really want to so this is my first video, so I'll have a separate channel introduction. I'm on my way to work. I'm really excited because last night I up-potted some of my seed starts. So these are Morris heading collards, Brussels sprouts, bright lights kale, which I'm very excited about because I can see some of the colors in the stem already, and Alaska snow peas. Those are very pretty. And this is just more of the collards. So let's go outside, and I'm gonna show you my greenhouse where I'm gonna put them outside to make more room for me starting my tomatoes inside. See you out there. So what I've already got going are romaine lettuce, Swiss chard, which I'm gonna say have been overwintering. I'm gonna have to look more into that because I started these in the fall and they just literally just stopped growing. They were like, nope. Spinach. This too is kind of overwintering, and this is my rosemary. Lettuces that I don't know if I can. I think I'm able to separate those out and let them head up. I didn't realize they were gonna head up. They look like they're going to. I don't know. We'll see. Different cabbages, beets, different beets. Those are my bunch of onions. I need to do more of those. More beets. As you can see, I'm really doing the beet thing. Mustards, greens are like very disrespectful, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to start some more of those. Rutabaga, purple top. Celery said no ma'am. Green kohlrabi said I don't think so, maybe. But my purple kohlrabi was like, okay. And this right here is bok choy. So I'm gonna start some more bok choy because this I can succession. Probably this too, kohlrabi. Well, really all of them. Carrots. They're trying. These are carrots too. I think I might have put them too deep, so I'm gonna restart those, which is fine because this would be, you know, you don't want everything coming ready at the same time, especially when you're just, it's just me, and I'm just gardening for me and my boys. Radishes in my Family Dollar pots. This is the one I started later, so. And these are Parisian carrots. Oops, I almost fell. These are Parisian carrots, and the reason I'm covering up, I don't know if you guys watch Jess from Roots and Refuge, but she showed the board method. And if you look, it's some condensation. These are the bottoms of these pots. So I'm just covering them up to make sure that they germinate. And it hasn't been enough time. So I'm gonna add in my newcomers and get myself to work. All right, I'm back, and I got my babies in. So everybody's all in. So when I started my first seeds on the 16th of January of some of the cold hardy brassicas, and I was using the solo cups, and they work fine, especially the square bottom ones. These are square bottom. Uh-oh. Don't start now, Mondina. Behave. As you can see, they're a bunch. I'm doing the multi-sow method by Charles Downing for the beets, rutabagas, bunch of onions. So everything fit in. So everything out here is cold hardy. These are my, you can see better right here. These are my zinnias I'm trying to start. I don't know, they're not being friendly. So I have it heated in here. that's a thermal cube. We'll talk about that later. This is, so you can see it's about 45 degrees. I don't know if you can tell. You can see the condensation, which is awesome for plants to me because it keeps things nourished. And so it heats. If the temperature falls below 35, this little office heater will turn on. And if it comes above 45, it would turn off. So it was colder yesterday, so when I came out here yesterday, that little heater was on. So that's been good about regulating my temperature. So that's it, guys. I'm going to soon start to clean up my yard, which I will not show you guys because it is so horrible. I just harvested the last of my collards, and I will show you guys this. That's my wood for my raised beds. So these are my kale. No, lies. These are my Swiss chard that I started and then up potted in the fall. So Swiss chard allegedly is cold hardy. Well, no, they're not dead, but they literally just sprawled out and was like, I refuse, and I give you all disrespect, and I will not grow and be beautiful or bountiful. So I'm gonna leave this pool for a little while longer and see if they wake up, because these right here are the same ones as these right here. See the difference? And when I brought these into and that one too, when I brought these into the greenhouse, their attitudes really improved. So that's it. So I'm getting ready to go to work, and I'll be back next time. So thanks for watching Urban in Garden Boots.